Let's talk about angles in a polygon. Let's say we have a triangle. Now, we know that a triangle's angles add up to 180. So let's just, for simplicity's sake, call all three angles 60 degrees. Now, let's say we wanted to find a pattern between the number of sides a shape has and what the sum of the angles in the shape is. So, a triangle has 3 sides. And from 3, we want to go to 180. Now, it's really hard to derive the formula, so I'll just give it to you. The formula is n minus 2 times 180. This gives the sum of all the angles. But let's say it's a regular polygon. That means that all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Then to find one of the angles, all you have to do is divide by n. Let's apply to this triangle. So n is going to be 3 because we have 3 sides. So 3 minus 2 times 180, all divided by 3. This will be 180 divided by 3, so this will be 60. This checks out. So this is a equilateral triangle, and it's regular. So all the sides are equal, and all the angles are equal. Make sure you memorize this formula because it can be really important. This time, let's say we have a square. Let's assume this is a perfect square. And also, let's assume it's regular. A square is always going to be regular because all its sides are equal. So, we have to use this formula again. So, n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Except this time, n is equal to 4. So, 4 minus 2 times 180 divided by 4. This is 2 times 180 divided by 4. 2 times 180 is 360 divided by 4 is 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degrees. And this makes sense because it's a right angle. Let's look at one more shape. Let's say we have a regular hexagon. In a regular hexagon, again, all the sides are going to be equal. So again, we can use this formula. N minus 2 times 180 over n. N is 6. 6 minus 2 times 180 divided by 6. This is 4 times 30, which is 120. This means each angle in a regular hexagon is 120 degrees. Now, there's another way to find the angle in a regular polygon. This is because the exterior angles of every polygon, whether it's regular or not, is equal to 360. So, the sum of any polygon's exterior angles is equal to 360. You're probably wondering what an exterior angle is. An exterior angle is what we get when we extend a side and we get this angle. So it's whatever that angle is. So we can extend the side on all the sides. And if we add up all of these, we get 360. So we can use this to our advantage. In a regular polygon, all of these will be equal. So let's say we have a hexagon. Again, all of them sum up to 360. And since all of them will be equal, we just need to divide by how many there are. There's 6. So 360 divided by 6 is 60. So one exterior angle is 60 degrees. If we know the exterior angle, we just need to find the other part. The other part will be 120 degrees. Now, both ways work really well. You just have to pick one. Now, finding angles in polygons can be a little bit tricky, so this requires a lot of practice. I've linked a practice worksheet and its answers in the comments section, so make sure to go check those out.